Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. We'll start with the chanting. We'll chant Omkara 3 times. Take a deep breath. Once again, take a deep breath. Chant Omkara. Once again, take a deep breath, chant Omkara. It should be longer and louder. We'll start with the prayer. Repeat the prayer after me. Yogena Chittasya
योगेन चित्तस्य
Padena Vacha
परेण वाचा
Malam Sharirasya Cha
फलं शरीरस्य च
Vaidyakena
वैद्यहीन
Yopakarotam
योगाकरोप
Pravaram Muninam
परं मुनिना
Patanjalim
पताञ्जलिं
Pranjaliranatosme
प्राञ्जलिं शुचि
Abahu Purushakaram
आकारहुस्कार
Shankachakra
शङ्खचक्ररुदारः
Sahasrashirushvam Shvetam
सहस्रशिखिसंस्कृतं
Pranamamim Patanjalim
प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्
Om. Slowly rub your hands, massage your face, open your eyes and look into your palms. Okay, so the prayer what we do is a Patanjali mantra prayer. In every yoga ashram, before we start our prayer yogasanas, we give respect to Maharishi Patanjali, who is the sole who has created yoga. So we give respect to him and then we start our yogasanas. Okay. So we'll start with the warm up. First we will sit in Vajrasana. All of you sit in Vajrasana. Sit down like this. On your knees, toes to be straight. This is called as Vajrasana. In English, they call this as diamond posture. This is a very strong posture. It is very good for your digestion, your internal, your abdominal muscles, all the organs related to your digestive muscles. It improves your knee pain, relaxes your thigh muscles, gives a good stretch to your lower thigh. So very important. So we'll start the warm up in this. On my count, raise your hands. Raise your hands forward. All of you sit in Vajrasana. Raise your hands forward. On my count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hands on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hands upwards. Keep Namaskar Mudra behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring your hands forward. Make a fist of your fingers. Wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the side. Wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point your fingers. Bring it to your shoulder. We'll do shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoulder up and down. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Keep your hands on your knees. We'll do neck movements. Look up, inhale. Look down, exhale. Look up, inhale. Look down, exhale. Look up, inhale. Look down, exhale. Look right, left, right, left, right, left. Neck rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Relax. Now take your both hands, keep it behind your back and twist towards your right. Okay. Keep your hands behind your back, twist towards your right. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. Try to touch the forehead. This is very good for your spinal twisting and your abdominal fat release. Stay in the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back center. Come back center. We'll do it on the other side. Turn towards your left. Both the hands on the ground. Touch your forehead to the ground. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back center. Slowly raise your right hand up. Right hand up. Keep your left hand on the ground. Bend towards your left. Stay in this posture. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back center. Now slowly raise your left hand. Keep your right hand on the ground. Bend towards your right. Stay in the posture. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back center. Slowly relax. Straighten your legs. Venkatesh sir, your screen is frozen. You are able to hear me, right? Venkatesh sir, can you hear me?
ఐమ్ హియర్ మీ వాయిస్ వినబడుతుందండి.
ఓకే, మీ కెమెరా ఫ్రీజ్ అయిపోయింది, అందుకే కొంచెం డౌట్ ఉంది.
ఓకే,
ఒకసారి కెమెరా ఆన్ ఆఫ్ చేయరా? ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే, spread your legs forward and sit like this. This is called as इसे दंडासना कहते हैं. हाथ पीछे, keep your hands back, straighten your legs, relax. Okay, flap your knees like this. Very good for knee pain. Whatever knee pain is there, the severe fluid which is there in your knees, some people have issues with knee problems, it will relax. Flap your knees like this, swing your feet. Swing your feet in and out, keep little distance, then in, out, in, out. You try to touch the floor with your toes. Okay, when you do in, your toes should touch the floor, then out. Okay, try to do that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, slowly fold your right leg. Hold your right leg. Touch your forehead to your knees. Touch your forehead to your knees. Stay in this posture. Hold your foot with both the hands. Hold your right foot with both your hands. Stay in this posture. 3, 2, 1. Now slowly lift your right leg up. Slowly lift your right leg up. With both your hands, try to straighten your leg. Very good. Look straight. Stay in this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg down. Straighten your right leg. Hold your left leg. Hold it with both your hands. Hold it with both your hands. Touch your forehead to the knees. Stay in this posture for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now raise your left leg up. Raise your left leg up. This will give a very good stretch for your hamstring muscles, your calves. Okay. Stay in this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the legs down. Now, this is called as butterfly posture. Bring both your feet together. Join the feet together. Join both your feet together. On my count, start flapping your knees like this. Okay? Start flapping. Keep flapping. Flap your knees. This is called as butterfly posture. It is very good for opening up your hips. Your hip joint will improve. So the flexibility and the range of your motion will also improve when your hip joints will release. Okay, keep flapping. Keep flapping. More 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now slowly try to bend forward and try to touch your forehead to your toes. Bend forward and try to touch. If you are unable to touch also, no problem. Try to look down and stay in this posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back up. Keep your legs in the same posture. Don't release your legs. You will feel a little stretch here, a little kind of pain will be there. It is very good. It should be there. Your muscles will pull and stretch now. Okay, so your flexibility and range of motion will improve. Stay in this posture. Now hold your right toe with your 2 fingers. Hold your right toe with 2 fingers. Pull it and keep it out. Now hold your left toe with your left fingers. 2 fingers. Hold it and keep it out. Very good. Nice. Try to adjust the distance. Try to spread as much as possible. Okay, stay in this posture. Relax. Take a feel of your distance. Try to touch both the toes. Try to touch. Stay in this posture. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back center. Relax. Look up. Inhale. Look down. Exhale. Look up. Inhale. Look down. Exhale. Now slowly raise both your hands up. Okay, now try to bend towards your right and touch your toes. If you are able to touch your forehead to your knees, very good. Otherwise, just look down. Stay in this posture. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back up. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Always keep your breathing through your nose. Never use your mouth for breathing, okay? Whenever I am giving the count, like 10 seconds or 5 seconds, you should be continuing your breathing. Don't stop your breathing in any posture. When you breathe in a posture, the oxygen will flow inside those organs at that particular posture and they will improve the blood circulation and they will relax the muscle. Okay? Now we'll repeat on the other side. Raise your hands up. Bend towards your left. Touch your toe. Touch your forehead to your knees. If you are unable to touch your forehead to your knees, just stay in the posture. Look down. Keep your hands like this and look down. Stay in the posture. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back center. This is called as Upavista Konasana. Okay, Konasana. This is an angle. So Konasana, and Upavista means wide. So you're keeping your legs wide and you're creating an angle. So in Sanskrit it is called Upavista Konasana. Now we'll do the other version, which is a little more advanced version of the same one. Take 2 fingers, hold your toes, right hand, right leg, right toes. If you are unable to hold your ankle. Hold your ankle or your leg wherever your reach is. Okay, hold there, and then pull your body downwards like this, looking straight like this. Pull your body downwards. Raise your left hand up and above. Touch the toes. If you are unable to touch your toes, just keep like this and stay. Look straight like this. Remain in the posture. This is very good for your back stretch, back pains or back spasm. All the pains by practice. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back center. Relax. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Calm your breath. Now hold your left foot toe with 2 fingers. Pull your body inwards like this. Very good. If you are not able to touch your toe, hold it like this and pull your body like this. Okay, whichever is comfortable. Take your right hand up and above and touch your toes. Very good. Very good. Stay in the posture. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back center. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly hold your right toe. Bring it in center. Take your left toe, bring it to the center. Butterfly again and start flapping your knees. Keep flapping for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly sit in Dandasana. Stretch your legs forward. Sit in Dandasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Flap your knees. Let the blood flow in your knees. Inhale, exhale. Now we'll do Paschimottanasana, a very important asana in yoga. Very simple to do, but very effective for your abdominal muscles, your back muscles. Okay, raise your hands up. Sit like this, raise your hands up. Bend forward and touch your toes and look straight up. Don't look down, look up like this. If you are unable to touch your toes, hold your ankle and look straight like this. Okay? Whichever is comfortable. But you should be holding something. Hold something so that it will pull your back muscles. Stay in this posture, look up. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in continuation, go down and and try to touch your forehead to your knees. It is not compulsory that you have to touch your forehead to the knees, but try to look down and go as much as possible. You can adjust your hand, you can hold your feet like this if you are more flexible. Whichever is comfortable, try to go down and stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Come back up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Sit in Dandasana. Look up and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Concentrate on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We'll do Paschimottanasana once again. Okay. Raise your hands. Touch your toes. You will notice that this time your hands will go more further because the stretching what we done in the last time has improved your stretch this time. Look up. Okay. Look up for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look down in continuation. Go down, look down, change your grip. Stay in the posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Sit in Dandasana. Look up and inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your mouth closed. Only breathing through your nose. Inhale. Exhale.